Take a look at this YouTube channel. One of its videos has over 2.1 million views. Another has 151,000 views, and many of its other videos have also gained a huge number of views. You can create the exact same type of videos. These are Ghibli-style AI videos, and they're currently trending now. Look at this channel. It has uploaded only 12 videos, yet it has already gained 14,000 subscribers. Yes, that's right. If you check its estimated earnings on Social Blade or through Google, you'll see that its estimated monthly income is around $1.9K. That's an impressive amount, especially considering the channel has uploaded only 12 videos. The reason is simple. The videos are getting a massive number of views. You can also create these trending AI videos completely for free. I won't waste much of your time. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to create these viral videos and grow your YouTube channel quickly and easily. So, let's get started and learn how to make these trending Ghibli-style AI videos. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's begin. First, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, I'll provide you with my Ghibli prompt. Simply copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste it, you'll see something like this. Here, you just need to type the story you want. For example, select or write Underwater City. Copy and paste it, and ChatGPT will automatically generate Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and up to 10 to 15 scenes for your story. If you need more scenes, simply type more scenes, 20 scenes, or 30 scenes. ChatGPT will generate as many scenes as you request. Now it's time to create the images. We'll use FlowLab, which is an excellent website for AI image generation. Open FlowLab, sign in with your account, then copy and paste Scene 1 into the prompt box. Repeat the same process for every scene, copying and pasting them one by one. As you can see, all of my images are now ready. The results look amazing. Download every image, then organize them by renaming them as Ghibli 1, Ghibli 2, Ghibli 3, Ghibli 4, and so on. This makes it much easier to remember which image belongs to which prompt. Next, we'll create the videos. The website I'll be using is popreel.ai. It's an excellent AI video generator that gives you 200 free credits every day, allowing you to create up to 20 videos per day with a single email account. If you use another email, you can create even more videos, making it possible to generate unlimited AI videos for free. The quality is excellent, especially for the Ghibli-style videos. Open the website and click Create. Upload your first image, then paste the prompt for Scene 1. Repeat the same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, and all the remaining scenes. Upload each image and paste its corresponding prompt one by one. After a short while, all of your AI videos will be generated. As you can see, the results are impressive and look fantastic in the Ghibli style. Now let's generate the AI voice. I recommend using unlimited AI tools, text-to-speech. Open the website, paste your script, select the Blaze voice, and click Generate. Your AI voiceover will be ready in just a few moments. Finally, open
Studio Ghibli-inspired, Pixar-quality cinematic illustration of a breathtaking...
Open CapCut and import all your video clips along with the AI voice. Adjust the timing, add transitions, animations, background music, and any final edits. Once everything is synced, your video is ready to publish. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more AI content.